are going to love the 2019 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.